Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at the trim command in AutoCAD and basically just doing a short demo of how it is used, and I hope you learn a lot from it. So initially I was gonna draw a random shape here, but then I changed my mind and I deleted it and I decided to go and show you the line command. I usually type my commands, it's way faster that way for me, but yeah, that's how you access the line command via the icon. So we are simply drawing it's a rectangle, but as you can see, two of the lines are overlapping each other, and these are the lines that we're going to trim. Right, so if you go to the modify tab, you'll see the trim command there, and you can select it. And how it works is you first select the line that you want to use as the knife, and then you select the line that you want to cut off. Right, so I'm just demonstrating the selection process. You select it using the left click, of course. Right, so now we're gonna get down to business. So I enter the trim command by typing, because that's the method I prefer, and yep, I'm just showing you the lines. So I'm going to select this line, then I'll right click, or you can press enter. So that blue line is my knife, and that other line I just cut off the excess, and that's it. That's how it works. I'm going to do it again so that you can see it in action once more. So I right click, repeat trim, and the first line I click is the line that will be used as the knife, so to speak. So I select that line, I right click or press enter, and then I cut off the excess. Now bear in mind that in order for this to work, the lines must cross each other, or one of the lines must cross the other. If you have a line that doesn't cross it but actually starts at that point, at the perpendicular point like this, it will not work, and I'm going to show you that now. So I'm going to select this as my knife, and as you can see, I'm not getting to cut this line, and that's because at the perpendicular point, that's where this new line started, right? It never crossed the line, so it doesn't work like that. I'm gonna delete it and extend this line, and if you learned anything, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll have a lot more videos being uploaded soon. Thank you very much, and just practice, 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 practice.